Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going out to install a Chargeverter from EG4 for one of our existing clients. So I'm heading out there right now to go do that. Had to stop, get all the equipment, get all the tools, get all the little knickknacks you're going to need to be able to install this Chargeverter and connect it to the generator. So when the sun's not out and the client needs power, they can charge directly to the batteries. So when they won't have a problem when they have to, continue to run their solar, because this customer we have, they're totally off grid, no tie to the grid or anything. So he's got to have backup to backup to backup. So this is one thing I suggested, and I think it worked out nicely for this client. So when we get there, we'll continue with the video. So I'll see you when we get there. Okay, we're back here at SleemSolar. Sorry I couldn't film the installation, but it's installed right now, so we can see the screen is set. So we set it based on these parameters. When the battery goes to 49%, it'll kick on, it'll charge to 54.6, and it's a manual process. So we had the plug wired right here, and we have the plug down here. So when he's ready, he just plugs it in, and we just basically wired it to the shut-off switch because there's no other bus bar. So we tested it. Unfortunately, it had run out of gas, so he just has to fill it back up. But when we did the test, we shut off the solar panels. It started to charge. I don't think this guy uses a lot of power, so his batteries are always full. So as you can see, we wired it up. And this is like a little storage closet that's out of the way in the house, so nobody sees this but me or the gentleman here. So there it is. It's wired up, goes down to the ground. And I think we're gonna get some caulk and just go around that right there. Then I'll take you outside and show you where the generator is and how it's wired up. So here is the generator. It'll be in this plug right here, which is the 240. The cord is inside, so he doesn't keep it out here, but it plugs in here, and the plug is wired underneath here. So let me take you underneath here and show where that is. So here is the outlet. It's ran here. We have this drop plug, so you can see the connection there. So basically the female end plugs into this male end. It's got that nice secure lock so nobody gets in there, and then it just goes from right underneath here where it's plugged in, and it's plugged into that side of the generator. So you can see it's ran underneath the house securely in a conduit. And wired up right there, so when the time comes, he'll start the generator. Now the generator isn't much to look at, but it works. So we tested it. And this is the array that was installed. I think that we did previously. So some people ask, well, why don't we cut this off? Well, here's what happens when you cut it off. Say 2 of these panels get damaged, and you have to buy new ones if they don't make this particular brand. It may be bigger, it may be smaller. If you have bigger panels, if you have to change out all these, you have more room. You can adjust the panels. So in the country, we don't cut these off because of that very issue. If he has to change out panels, if these got damaged, and we have to buy bigger ones, we have more room on these unistruts to slide the panel and accommodate it. So that's why. And of course, that's an old array that he had before. See, we just basically wired it in. I believe these are 10 panels. They're 400 watt bifacial. Those are, I think, 315 watts each, and they're 12. And they go straight into the house to power it. Here is the inverter. So this is an 8 kilowatt inverter, split phase, and it's wired up. So, yep, it's got a EG4 Chargeverter, not the new one, the one before they changed it. So that's what we wired up. He is satisfied. Again, we'll have links below in the description for the EG4 Chargeverter. If you want to help our channel out, you can click on the link. We get a small commission. Doesn't cost you anything. Helps us to continue to make videos like this and put them out. So please like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next time, take care.